Tell everybody what you're doing, dude.
We're gonna chop off this cross member, weld it on this early model bagger, so we can put some of these mids on here. That's basically what we're cooking. We're gonna take this back cross member, and we're gonna put it essentially right on top of that thing.
This is gonna be his daily ride. He's planning on riding it, you know, thousands of miles every 2 weeks.
Not really, no.
No, not at all.
Well,
This is gonna be his thrashing bike. If you guys don't know who Bird is,
what up, guys? Bird in the house.
I'll have the stuff down below. Yeah, they told me they were cutting some frames today, so I figured like, sounds like something I'd like. Fucking right. Yeah, boy. This is Bird's Dyna. You guys have seen him in a lot of my videos. Obviously, he's a stunt guy. One of the best around here in Daytona, so yeah, you can see a lot more of him.
Yo, check this out. This is something that we just literally did today. Quick disconnect.
Oh, no shit. On the brake line.
So we just tried that out. I just ordered it. I actually tested it out earlier, and it still works.
That's cool,
so,
dude.
We're gonna get the different brake lines and get this all cleaned up. Essentially, the idea is to not be able to take these off, not have to take these off when I'm changing the tires.
Okay.
Usually it's like hanging and doing all that shit.
Yeah. You change your tire quite often, I'm sure.
I think at least probably 60 a year.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Shoo! You say you're chopping perfectly good tire fan?
It's got a clean VIN.
Nice. Yeah. Like butter.
Look at this guy's shooting the camera.
Multitasking.
Teamwork makes the dream.
That's it. All right. Last one. Want to see.
Bam, boys. There it is.
Motor's open, dude. So I guess let's open this door up and shoot out the back of it.
Got it.
That's how we used to work on our BMX bike. Piece of shit. I fucking hate Dynas. Damn, he's gonna be pissed about that cover, but sorry, Austin. I can at least tell him I did it. Tell him I did it.
It wasn't me. I'm holding the camera. It was Harley.
Why not?
He'll take the blame.
Get Harley in there, so he looks like he's doing something.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you rub your hand around in the dirt.
Yeah. See, now he's dirty.
Already did.
He didn't even do shit. He came over with dirty hands.
Man's got dirty on dirt pants.
So the next shit that we're gonna have to do, we're not gonna be able to do that on camera. No, I'm just kidding.
No.
I'm not gonna do it now, but I do have to cut this neck off for this dude. Shout out Austin from Timeless Garage for the frame. I appreciate you.
03?
This is an 01 frame
01, okay.
that some homie from Orlando torched.
Oh shit.
Yeah, the fender struts are all tweaked, and look at the fork stop too.
Yeah, they're adjusted for wind deflection.
Those are adjustable. We call those
Adjustables. Where's mine at?
I ain't going up here on this.
Jesus. Come on.
Dude, honestly, I kind of followed the contours of what it was, honestly. It's really not that bad.
Leave a little meat on her. Oh man.
White guy going hard as fuck.
Oh.
I already told you.
3 hours later.
We make it look like it happened in 10 seconds though.
I heard the word perfect. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Oh, damn.
Sheesh. That actually is.
That's gonna work out so.
Essentially, it'll be sitting like that. He's still clear.
Yeah. Nice. Who's got the JB Weld? That's how we're gonna throw it on, right?
Yep.
JB Weld. Cool.
All right, Bailey. You got the rest.
Duct tape and zip tie, guy. Duct tape and zip ties.
What is that from Tropic Thunder? He's like, something. Oh, dude, when the guy's head blows off.
Oh, he's like corn syrup. Look, guys, it's corn syrup.
Corn syrup and smoke or some shit like that. This motherfucker's dead, man.
Don't hurt yourself now.
Maka.
It feels so much better outside. It was cold earlier. Yeah? What you got going on here? Oh, look at that. Nice piece of machinery.
Stop fighting.
Stop like.
I gotta get the motor in. Behind me, right there. Let's put some rags right here so I don't want to fucking face it. I'm not using that crank, it's fucked, but technically he does know.
Probably gonna pull those bolts out of there, Harley.
I don't have the front plate, so essentially we'll probably end up using two jacks.
Swing it around. Set it down.
We'll have to, somebody has to lift this.
Put the dowels in.
There's no oil lines right here.
I'm in on my dowel. Well, I was gonna fucking goddamn clean some shit over there. Now he's got me looking like a fucking girl.
Those are nice gloves, Harley.
I got my bitch mittens on. Check them out.
You gotta make sure your hands stay soft.
I did this for you, Dad.
I got my prostate checkers.
Health exams?
Love trannies.
Yeah, he's really good with trannies.
What'd you say?
Wait, it's 9/16 actually.
Oh my god. He's the guy that goes back and forth to the toolbox 10 times before he finds the right size.
Well, you know, I would've grabbed the 9/16, but you know, there's not one in there. Essentially, I'll jack the motor up with another jack right here and something, and just kind of get it where it needs to be.
He's gonna ratchet strap it down so it's easy to do maintenance.
We're not gonna weld it. We're gonna tape it.
Tape it. Yeah, it's good tape.
I got duct tape right there.
Gotta use electrical tape at least.
Cold too. Cold tape. Oh, switch hands.
It's cramping. I'm cramping.
You don't do this often.
I've been single for a while. I think I'm good.
Wow, you're really good at that.
You're really cranking that.
You're cranking that hog,
cranking
brother.
that fucking hog, dude.
Watch that video of
Wasn't
Ryder
that
on.
Chevy? Wasn't that Chevy shit? Taping hogs in my
I
dog.
expect you guys to be wearing the cranking hog shirts for
You're
Daytona.
fucking right. I will.
Bailey. Where you go?
It's right. No, Chevy's. I'm riding hogs
With my dog.
With my dog.
Oh yeah. You want to lower that down?
You have to hold on to the motor, bro.
No. So essentially, I want to put a jack here, and maybe
Block of wood.
take like a block of wood or a socket.
I got you.
We'll get that motor level, and then we'll jack this up with another jack.
Unless we stagger the.
No, that's what I'm saying. We don't need much. So if you want to pull this one out, and put it like right there, you should be able to get something right here. Like a big ass socket will work, bro.
Trying to make money for the ring.
Like, this is my 5th job this year I've been fired from. God damn it.
This
Fire
motherfucker
myself.
don't fit.
Oh, it's gonna have to go right here.
Yeah, it's part of that.
It lines up with the oil hole, just like the Dyna.
Okay. So we'll stick another one. I'm happy to go home.
Yeah, showing them thighs off. Them thighs for the guys, right? Hey.
Hold on. Alright, come my way with the jack. All the way over. There you go. Alright. Jack it on up.
Crank on.
It's gonna want to sidestep it and just a minute.
We're gonna use self-tappers.
Yeah, you got that.
Tap your side forward a little bit.
Self-taps.
I don't want to go too far forward. Give me this brake pedal now.
You still have to be able to get to this fucking drain car too.
Nah, this is what we need right here. We need the mount to go off of. Fuck everything else. Right there is gonna be perfect. Shout out Snap-on, they're sponsored us. I'm just kidding.
Not sponsored.
We paid full price.
Where's the bomb?
We paid full price. It's gonna be fucking gnarly, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be so fun. So we did the research. What was it? What was the weight on the bagger? What was it? Literally 100-pound difference.
Really?
Yeah, it was 100-pound difference between the Road Glide and the Dyna of the same exact year, which this is the same year as the Dyna over there, which is a 01. So we're basically gonna shed that.
Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna run shit in the fairings. I might do some speakers in the bag lids with this company that's local out of Daytona that I've been working with, but
That'll help with the wheelie, just weight in the back.
I mean, honestly, I was thinking about it in a sense of, I mean, dude, it would basically kind of put more weight towards,
Bird, did that other side move?
Yeah.
you know, back.
Good.
Yeah, I mean, you can, I need a, essentially, I can weld this exactly how it is right now. Okay, that's it.
Now we can tackle it from different places. We got plenty of clearance for the cam cover.
Oh, dude, it's more than enough.
More, that's money.
That's like, I can even take it in probably a little bit. Ooh, like right there.
I would try to go back far like that.
So I ain't gonna lie, that right there, I think that'll work.
Our oil fucking spigot's gonna be there. They don't come out that far though.
Dude, I think it'll work. I think that's gonna work.
Easy to get to. Yeah. And then we'll fucking shorten the rod.
No, that's what I'm saying. That will work.
See what I'm
Grab that pipe right there.
Now it should be good to clear. As far as master cylinder.
Yep.
Yeah, master cylinder.
What's that machine for?
We're gonna glue stuff together.
Oh, I thought that was a plastic welder.
You alright? Good.
We do fun stuff that costs us lots of money.
They're toys, just bigger toys. You say you did this for the boomers?
For the boomers.
For the boomers.
For the boomers.
There's a $50,000 bagger bill right here.
Yeah, baby.
Alright. It'll be worth $50 by the time we're done.
Yeah, after we take everything off.
Check it out, though.
You see we put the fucking race car out there, dude?
Yeah, that's cool.
The fucking accelerator pump on the side.
Uh-huh. You have to tell the people the story about that car.
Yeah, so that car is a 1957 Comet. They're manufactured in St. Louis, Missouri. And that car right there actually raced beside my great-grandpa there in Charleston, Illinois. Pretty cool story behind it. Hopefully one day we get her going, man. It used to have a flathead Harley in it, V45, one cylinder capped, and the crank redone because it was 350cc limit as far as the class. Right now it's just got a Wisconsin motor in it. My grandpa's car had a Cushman motor that he had actually water cooled. It's pretty sweet. I got it back home. I still need to bring it, but it's rad, man. Once we bring it here, we'll have to make a video on that.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so you can lay it down.
Oh, that's what I'm saying, bro. We can tuck it on the inside or basically whatever's gonna line it up with that kickstand naturally for us. That's fine. That's what we want.
It's gonna be away from the exhaust, the whole 9 yards. You put that remote play board back behind the other side. Such a child. Such a child.
Just men doing men things.
You did it. You got the mid going, bro.
A bagger with mids.
Yay.
Pretty cool. First one I ever done see.
This is definitely one of the funner projects I've done in a while,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Yeah, until it's all powder coated and we're wrestling with it in the garage again.
No, it's gonna be a one and done, just like that one, bro.
No, do you not remember wrestling with that front cage for 4 fucking hours?
This one's gonna get welded around everything, and I won't have that style cage, so we won't have to fight it, you know? Essentially, these are gonna get tagged here. These will get tagged here, and then I'll run a cage like exactly like that one. I designed it, obviously put it through CAD and all that, and then, I mean, that's an old cage. Probably some of my first welds.
I won't get too close.
It's alright. I'm not sharing my game.
No, you're good. Don't look bad, dude.
I can tell you it lasts better than a lot of the ones that have the dimes.
Anytime you see a fancy welds of a bunch of dimes,
Sometimes that can be
not the most
misleading.
integrity, yeah.
It just depends, man.
Got anything to say to the folks before we shut her off?
I'm ready to go home. No, not really.
I am.
Shout out Ryder Rot. Appreciate you hanging out, homie.
Shout out Burgang.
Pleasure, bro.
Yeah, of course. And then we got Ass Crack Stunts here.
My big dog, Ass Crack Stunts, my little prodigy.
Yeah. You guys have seen him on my videos, but
Keep an eye out for him. He's on the bagger. He's up and coming. He's
Trying
a slayer.
to. Trying to.
I'll be back. We'll be doing some updates on his build. This thing's gonna be cool. Bagger with a Dyna crossmember. Like, I never seen one. We'll see you next time.